Hello friends, in this video I'm going to share my first impressions about Rigohill men's leather wallet. So once you open it, there is a paper wrapping on top of the wallet. So let's see what are the features we can see. So here from outside there is a zipper compartment. You can keep your coins and other stuff, which is very easy. Without opening the wallet you can use it. And when you open this, there are two other slots also there to keep your card or other stuff. That is also a good option. And here Rigohill emblem is given on a nameplate. I think it's metallic. So good amount of stitching on both the sides, which makes it premium. And RFID protection is also mentioned over here. So let me open it up. So here you can see credit and debit card slots are there, and here is a transparent area for putting your ID card, so you can easily show to the people. Again, credit and debit card slots, and there are two hidden compartments you can see here while checking, which is useful. And when you open it, there are two currency compartments you can see here, which is of pretty good quality. And again, one more compartment that is even cooler stuff. You can put your for the currency, there is a zipper, so you can high value currencies or something, you can keep it there also. And then when we close it, you can see how thick is the wallet. It's not so thick from different angles, and it feels really lightweight, so you can easily carry around. So you can choose it for giving to your friends and family, so they will, when they use it daily, they will think about it. It makes it a pretty good option for this stuff. Thank you.